Hi, it's Jackie from Pocket of Preschool. Let me show you the editable curriculum map. Now, inside the folder that you will download, there's two editable pacing maps, the development standards, product catalog, the pacing map that's just print and go, and the reading list. Make sure if you want to use the editable forms, you're opening those up in PowerPoint. These are the print and go. All of these pieces are not editable. So we have the learning development standards, we have the pacing map that isn't editable. So this one you open Adobe and it's just print and go. It has everything done for you. And then we have the reading list as well. Again, this is not editable, but clickable. Lots and lots of book lists in here, one for every theme, as well as all of the math units. And the product catalog has all of the different products and units that are in the curriculum. But let me show you the editable curriculum map. So this is the editable curriculum map. Again, you need to open this in PowerPoint. All of the tech tricks and tips are right here, as well as the fonts that I use if you would like it to match. There is a month at a glance, or year at a glance by month. It has all of the themes. They are hyperlinked, so if you want to use that, you're going to just open the link that way. And if you want to delete it, it's all editable, so you can, if you would like. And then I have a blank one as well as the new themes down here at the bottom is with their release date. So when you're planning, you'll know when everything will be out by, and you can place that in your curriculum map. These are all of the themes at a glance pages. So for these, what you're going to do, let's say you want to do apples in September. So you're going to take whatever pieces you want, copy and paste, and you are going to go down to the month that you want to do it. So let's say you want to do it in September. So you want to do apples in September, and you have your dramatic play, your STEM, your science, your sensory, and then anything extra you want to do. Now maybe you're doing this for 2 weeks, so you can take those arrows, you can copy and paste them so you know if you're using something for longer. Again, I have the arrows at the side that you can move as you wish. So if you're going to do something for a longer amount of time, if you want a Play-Doh tray to match, those are right here. So there's the apple one, and you're going to click and paste it in. And then if you want a different sensory bin than what I have, all of the sensory bins that I've ever shown are right here. Again, they're clickable and movable. And if you would like other units, maybe you want to teach some social skills or focus on a social skills in August, I usually do problem solving, so let's grab that. Again, just copy and paste, and you can put it in. You can also put in other literacy units or math units. All of the things that aren't at the themes at a glance are on these pages. Again, maybe you want the fall fine motor mat, so you're going to copy and paste that in. So you can put those in over here, maybe for extra, or maybe this is editable, so you can add an extra column to the side for that. If you're using the flip books, where are they at? There they are. If you're using the flip books, maybe you're going to do alphabet the first couple weeks. So maybe you're going to copy and paste that in and put those over here at the side, because maybe you're going to use this little theme for circle. Now, if you want also to have this piece clickable, I have every blog post, book list, and video for each theme is also there. So maybe you want to put that there. You can. Maybe you want to put this to the side. You can put that in as well. Now, these are all the blank ones. If you want to take the ones that I have that are all already done, maybe you just don't want to do birthday for September. So you're going to delete that. You can delete all of my text. And then you can put in whatever you want. Oops. You can put in apples right here, and then you can go ahead and copy and paste all of the apples. Copy and paste all of that in. So that way you don't have to kind of start from scratch. You can kind of use what I have and just do the themes that you don't think will fit your classroom or your school or your needs. And then again, you can move all this around, and these tables are editable as well. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. And let me show you one more thing. So for the themes at a glance, all of them are in here. And again, like I said, I linked the blog post, the book list, and the video for those. So that's there, as well as the seasons, the holidays, and then the new themes are right, whoops, I passed it up. The new themes are right here, as well as the release dates. So you can kind of start planning those out if you wish. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can ask me in the Facebook group or shoot me an email.